Hi, welcome back. Today I'm in my bed with bad sciatic pain. How many of you can relate to that? But I wanted to show you the baggy method. So come along. Many of these peppers were started in the baggy method February 5th. This one's called camber. Never heard of that, but you got some germination. Today is the 15th, so these have been in there for 10 days. Big Jim. These can go in the soil. Those look good. Yellow Bell. Looks like we got some, hopefully not some mold on there. Cayenne, long, thin. Some haven't, still haven't. These have been in the baggy method on top of the refrigerator. Some of you do a register, some of you do a heat mat. California Wonder. We've got some long spots on some of these. Gypsy Sweet. Not much. I wonder if these are viable. I don't see one single germination on that. Hot Lemon Pepper. He looks like he's ready to go. This one is Mini Bell. Look at that. I move them to the soil. So these jalapenos, they didn't look viable to me. And I am not seeing. So when you save your seeds, you need to make sure it's a very mature pepper that you save the seeds to. Here's fish pepper. There it goes. So what it means by very mature pepper is it's going to be the color that it turns. Black pearl. They're starting to swell, but I don't see any germination quite yet. These are hot peppers, so they take a while. But you want the pepper to be completely fully colored up. Elephant ear. I used the Little Caesars napkin because that's what I had. There's germination right there. Alma paprika. Paprika. I don't see much. Medusa pepper. Isn't that exciting? This one's an ornamental. Giant Marconi. Not much. Bow-Gratian pepper. One. This violet sparkle pepper. These guys are ready to go. I need to get those right into some soil under some lights.
Yep.
Lindsay's here to help. Hi, baby girl.